The MMTC series of miniature magnetic surface mount thermocouples from Harold G Schaevitz Industries are an ideal solution for temperature measurements and R&D and testing applications. These thermocouples consist of a special limits of error accuracy thermocouple cable with a spring-loaded sensing tip and a compact half-inch outer diameter round magnet that makes it easy to attach the sensor to ferrous surfaces, providing a rapid solution for taking temporary or permanent temperature measurements. The wire installation is fluorinated ethylene propylene, or FEP, with FEP outer jacket. We also offer PFA insulated wire, kapton insulated wire, or fiberglass insulated wire. We offer a range of thermocouple calibrations, including types J, K, and T. MMTC Series Thermocouples are reliable, easy to install, magnetic sensors that are ideal for surface temperature measurements in a range of industries, including the automotive industry, the process and power generation industries, and laboratory testing. The MMTC series of miniature magnetic surface mount thermocouples are in stock and ready to ship worldwide. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now to speak to an experienced application engineer. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications. Harold G Schaevitz